My name is Asimakis Haniotis. I am the head chef of Pied-a-terre restaurant in London. I started my career as a young chef in Athens at the age of 17, I think, 18. The first thing I said when I became head chef is like, I want to get my staff more involved in the way we run the restaurant, because I think that creativity from every individual would give a better level to the restaurant at the end of the day. People don't want to change because they don't want to get off their comfort zone. But when you get off your comfort zone, that's when magic happens. That's where, like, secrecy, that you go somewhere, you don't know what you're gonna have. That's sometimes it's amazing, because you go there, you try, and you're like, oh, that was brilliant. Always try to find new ideas to put in the restaurant, to bring something different than it is in all the other restaurants. We want to just try to change the way that the restaurant has been running for the past 25, 27 years. The restaurant will push up, like, from where it was, like, to a different level. Inspiration might be, you wake up in the middle of the night and you have an idea, and you call a supplier at 3 in the morning and say, like, can I have these ingredients for tomorrow morning? And then inspiration for me actually is lots of our staff that are working here. Chef, can we do this or can we do that? And say, like, yes, let's try it and see how it's gonna end up being.
The nature of my work, these wild plants being rare, specialist ingredients, I found myself being very privileged and working with some of Britain's finest chefs. That's how I got to meet David with Pied-a-terre, and I think he's using about 12 of the plants that I pick at the moment. That I keep them posted on what's coming next. These restaurants are providing something very important to all kinds of industries, from plant growers to even mushroom cultivators to the fishermen and the farmers. And the matter of sustainability, yes, it's all extremely important. Because of their passion to try and create something special, they were keen to see these new ingredients.
The way we feed them, the way we house them, the way we treasure them. It makes such a big difference to the ultimate quality of the meat. Like Pied-a-terre, Notre Pied are good customers. They're part of our sort of stable of Michelin-starred restaurants, and it is those guys who I think are really knowledgeable about food, and I always say they're very easy to deal with, provided everything's perfect. They're in pursuit of perfection for their customers. And we sell at about the same price you'd pay in a good supermarket. And that 3.5 times more enables us to use a less productive animal and to give it a much better life and to produce something that's really delicious to eat.